You're late again, Aatrox. I thought a Darkin like you would tear through the wind to get here.
I did tear through it, but got stuck in traffic. A tour group was blocking the road, taking photos with a Darkin statue. All I could do was stand there and scowl.
Bet your scowl was terrifying, huh?
One photographer even told me to pose cooler. I almost lost it.
Almost lost it, and yet here you are, you, calmly sipping cappuccino. Modern life has made you soft.
I ordered cappuccino because the barista said, "This helps reduce stress." I wanted to test whether milk foam can tame demonic rage.
So? Did it work?
No. But the taste isn't bad.
Anything new in your daily routine?
This week I started morning walks for exercise.
Aatrox. You doing power walks?
The residents in my apartment building kept saying, walking is good for the heart. I'm not sure I still have a heart in the human sense, but they were so enthusiastic I gave it a try.
Did anyone get scared?
3 dogs barked at me from one end of the street to the other. A little kid asked his mom, "Why is that giant street lamp uncle so sad?" I didn't know how to answer.
Ha ha, that image is adorable. You should feel happy about it.
I'm a Darkin. Adorable isn't in my basic description.
But it suits modern life. Everything has a soft version now. Soft Aatrox sounds kinda catchy.
I reject that title.
How about Weekend Café Aatrox?
I reject it even harder.
What about food? Tried anything weird this week?
I tried banh mi with fish cake. I still don't understand why humans turn fish into paste, then stuff it in bread. Your logic is beyond me.
Was it good?
It was good, but I refused to admit it to the vendor. He asked, "Extra chili?" I said, "I do not fear spice." Turns out, I overestimated myself.
Haha. Aatrox defeated by chili. This goes straight into Runeterra's history books.
I sat perfectly still for 30 seconds, staring into the void, not sure whether my soul or my tongue got hurt first.
What do you do in the evenings when you're free?
I watch TV.
Oh? What show?
There's one called Cooking with Auntie 2. She cooks while scolding the ingredients, but it's weirdly captivating.
Haha, you watch an old lady's cooking show?
I learned how to fry an egg. Major life achievement.
I don't know whether to be proud or worried.
Why worried?
My week was much lighter than yours. Slept in every morning, danced a bit, read some books I love.
What books?
Romance novels.
Now I'm worried about you.
Why?
Those books make you expect unrealistic sweet nonsense.
And you think a cappuccino drinking Darkin is more realistic?
Touché.
Sometimes I walk in the park and see couples holding hands. It's so cute. I want my weekends to feel a little warm like that too.
If you want, I could walk with you.
Wait, Aatrox offering something like that?
Don't misunderstand. I just thought, if it makes your weekend warmer, I can accompany you. That's all.
Okay. Next weekend, walk with me?
Fine, but don't force me to eat fruit ice cream. Last week, someone made me try it. The sweetness knocked me out for 5 minutes.
I promise I won't force you. But times leans in, eyes sparkling, times if I eat some, will you stand next to me?
Yes.
You know, your daily life sounds way more fun than last week.
If that's a compliment, I'll take it.
It is. And I love hearing you talk about it.
Then, I'll have more stories next time.
All right. Tell me, how was work this week? Do Darkin even have schedules?
We do now. Not like humans. But ever since I started living among you, I've had to adjust.
How exactly?
I was assigned to guard an ancient artifact exhibition. Whoever thought putting a Darkin in charge of antiques probably figured no one would dare steal while I'm there.
Haha, and they're right. Who'd come close?
The only annoying part is tourists keep asking for photos.
Do you pose?
No, I stand perfectly still, like another exhibit.
And they love it, don't they?
Way too much. Someone even said, "Sir, smile." I had no idea how to smile without terrifying them.
So, how did you smile?
I didn't. I stayed silent. One kid thought my batteries died.
Oh my God, that's illegally cute.
I didn't know what else to do.
Besides guarding artifacts, anything else?
They asked me to help with a university history class nearby.
Hold on, Aatrox, teaching? As a guest lecturer?
Not exactly. I just appeared as a live illustration. The professor told the students, "This is a real Darkin. Do not touch." I stood there for 20 minutes while they took notes.
How did it feel?
Like a rare zoo animal.
Haha, nothing wrong with that, you are rare.
I don't like being treated like a living relic. But the students asked really hard questions.
Like what?
Do Darkin catch colds? Do Darkin eat rice? What kind of person do Darkin like? The last one choked me up.
They actually asked that?
I didn't know how to answer. I said, "I have no time for such things." The professor gave me a look that said, "Nice lie, buddy."
Because you were totally lying.
I didn't deny it.
Any paperwork? Do they make you write reports?
Yes. Weekly reports on the artifact's condition. I hate writing.
Why?
Ballpoint pens are too small. They feel like toothpicks in my hand. So I borrow the art department's giant calligraphy brush. They say my handwriting is surprisingly elegant.
Really? Show me sometime.
Didn't bring it. But I got praised for having bold, heroic strokes.
Very on brand. Do you like the job?
It's peaceful. A kind of peace I'm not used to. In war, I knew the clash of steel. Here, I know air conditioning hums and whispering students.
You're adapting well.
Not sure. When it's too peaceful, I feel empty.
Asterisk voice softens times. So, does coming here every weekend for coffee with me help fill that emptiness?
Yes.
My week was busier. A few photo shoots and a small performance contract.
People love you. Of course you're busy.
Busy but happy. I love being on stage, though sometimes I run out of breath. One rehearsal, I completely missed the beat.
I can't imagine you missing a beat.
Happens! But I played it off like it was intentional. The whole group even applauded.
You really know how to turn mistakes into art.
That's showbiz. Oh, I also shot a tea commercial where the director wanted me to look enraptured by floral fragrance. One sip, close eyes, smile like the flowers melted into my heart.
Asterisk stares at Ahri suspiciously. Times you pulled that off?
Of course, even though all I could think was, this tea is kind of bland.
Your job has more pressure than mine.
No way. Standing in front of tourists, students, and mountains of paperwork is scarier.
Not really.
Was there any moment this week when you felt happy?
Yes. A group of elementary kids visited the museum. One ran up and asked, "Are you a superhero, mister?"
What did you say?
No, but I can protect. He grinned so wide, that tiny smile lightened my entire day.
See? You're living better than you think.
Maybe. But I think most of it is because I get to sit here with you every weekend.
Hearing you say that makes me happy.
Really?
Are you free next weekend?
There are new exhibits, but I'll make time to meet you here.
Promise? If you're late again, I'm video calling to check if another tour group is blocking you.
If you call, I'll pick up, even mid-traffic jam.
Good. Our weeks are so different, but weekend coffee together, I love that part.
Me too.
Enough work talk, let's gossip a bit. I'm curious. Aatrox, any weird habits?
I don't have weird habits. Fine, one.
Asterisk leans forward instantly, eyes lighting up times. Tell me.
Every night before sleep, I check if the door is locked, about 7 times.
Aatrox, are you paranoid about security?
No. I just don't trust those tiny human locks. I'm used to 6 times taller steel gates. Use locks make soar the 6 to 18 the 6 when the $7 stall.
Wow, your apartment door has performance anxiety.
Not that bad.
Any cute habits?
I have nothing cute.
You say that every time, yet you do tons of cute things without noticing.
Name one.
You always rotate your coffee cup once before drinking. When you're nervous, you tilt your head left like a confused cat. And when you like food, you pretend you don't.
I am not a cat.
But you're just as cute as one.
No,
Haha, you basically admitted it.
I did not.
Do you ever think about how strange your life is now? From world-destroying Darkin to weekend coffee guy?
All the time. Sometimes it feels absurd. I used to leave only ruin in my wake. Now, I'm learning not to crush the cup in my hand.
That's a good thing.
There's one question that keeps circling in my head.
What?
Am I truly living, or just hiding for a while?
Aatrox, living peacefully isn't hiding. You don't have to fight all the time. Sitting here, drinking coffee, talking, just existing like a normal person, that's part of life, too.
I'm not used to normal.
It's okay. Everyone goes through that phase. Me too.
You? Normal?
Plenty! I sleep in, love sweets, daydream. I'm not always the glamorous fox on posters.
You're never normal. You shine too brightly.
Stop. You're making me blush.
HM.
Enough deep talk. Let's get random.
Random?
Yeah. If you could only eat one food forever, what would it be?
Grilled meat.
That was fast. No hesitation?
Nope. I just need something that doesn't crumble. Banh mi crumbs annoy me.
Because of the crumbs?
One bite and crumbs fly everywhere. I hate that kind of chaos.
If you saw how messy people eat banh mi, you'd have a cultural shock.
Last weekend I did. A kid dropped crumbs on my shoe. Looked up terrified I'd get mad. I just brushed them off. He stared like I'd saved the world.
Next question. If you had one completely free day, no one bothering you, what would you do?
Sleep.
Seriously? The mighty Aatrox wants to sleep all day?
I rarely sleep. I'm curious what sleeping an entire day feels like.
You'd probably wake up bored.
Maybe. You?
I'd go to the beach. Gentle sun, not too crowded, headphones on, lie there doing absolutely nothing.
Alone? Dangerous.
I'm not helpless. Plus, I could always call you to escort me.
If you call, I'll come.
Really?
Do you ever feel lonely?
Of course. I can seem cheerful and outgoing, but some nights I can't sleep and my mind wanders. Loneliness is normal.
I used to believe Darkin couldn't feel loneliness. But now, when the silence feels too loud, I think about sitting here with you every weekend. And it helps.
Same for me.
You too?
Yeah. I love these easy chats. No acting, no masks, just us.
I never thought a Darkin would spend hours just listening to someone talk.
I'm not someone. I'm Ahri.
True. And when I'm with you, I talk more than usual.
Good. As long as you enjoy talking to me.
I do.
The barista is turning off the espresso machine. Guess we should go.
Yeah. But before we leave, one last question.
Shoot.
Next weekend, will you come?
If you come, I'll be here.
Then I'll be here.